Hi, I'm Rehabilitation. I'm the manager and head of litigation and insolvency at Franchise Incorporated. Today we're going to have a little discussion about rehabilitation of estate. Rehabilitation of estate happens after sequestration, either at 6 months, 4 years, or 10 years after your date of sequestration. Rehabilitation is a very short and simple application, takes only 7 weeks and depends on the administration of your estate performed by your curator. That being said, there need not be a curator in order to rehabilitate. If you have been sequestrated in the past and have not yet been rehabilitated due to no curator being appointed, the Insolvency Act does make provision for rehabilitation in this regard. Rehabilitation will happen in one of two ways, either with the appointment of a curator who shall consent to your rehabilitation, in which case a letter of consent will be obtained from your curator beforehand, in which case we can advise you of the process going forward. This process is relatively simple, whereby the administration process that your curator incurred will be put before the court with a sworn affidavit from yourself stating that you are indeed in a solvent status once again. The court will then have a look at this application and then consider the matter. Once considered, you will be declared solvent once more, at which point you will receive a new tax number and your credit score and ITC profile reset to 0. Should you not have a curator appointed, the process is very similar. There will just be the lack of any documents from a curator. However, there are certain instances where we can prove to a court that you are eligible for a rehabilitation in terms of the Insolvency Act once more.
This video is intended for informative purposes only and should not be considered as legal advice specific to your needs. Please arrange a first free consultation to consult one of our attorneys in person.